Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's E. In today's video, the first video of the new year 2023, we are going to put together this 3D printer. This printer is from Flsun. I've had this 3D printer. It was gifted to me probably since October. I haven't put it together. I am one of those people who still believe like 3D printing is like not real. Like I don't understand how. I still don't understand. Like I think this is Matrix type stuff. To put this or try to put this together right now and hopefully print something for you guys. And with me seeing it in my actual presence, maybe it'll feel more real. Like let's jump into the box. Wait. So I did watch a YouTube video about this and I think it was like 15 minutes long, so obviously they cut a lot of it out, but I'm hoping they can do this. Okay. I got all these little thingies.
This is what I stay from. Throw it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to.
So before I started to take out all this big important stuff, because this stuff looks important, I am going to check out our assembly instructions. And the first step, it says to take out all the main parts and screws. And I'm going to need these parts here because they are in step 1, so I might as well take them out. Why is this so heavy? Okay, it's not heavy. I thought it was heavy. What is going on? Ow! Come there. Step 2 says to put the top shelf on a flat surface. Please prevent the screen from being bumped during the assembly. This is the shell. Right? No. Is it? Huh. This is big. Huh? Twist this. Install the other 2 axes. Maybe I did the wrong thing. This is part Y. I lied. I don't think this is what goes here. It's gentle and slowly. Okay, you gotta wait your turn. You wait your turn right here. I'll remember you. And this, yeah, okay, Y and Y. And these goes in here. Just leans up against it. Please tell me no. Or maybe when I put the top on. Safe to me. It just doesn't feel safe. I shouldn't be the one putting this together. So I've been reading the instructions, I don't know why, from like 1 through across versus going down and following these steps, and I completely missed the fact that I'm supposed to screw these in so they're not wobbling like that, obviously, before I put them. Okay, now that the legs are all sturdy, I can put this top piece on, and this is gonna go. So now we install these screws. Okay, everything's all screwed. I even installed this little bracket here. I think that's for that. It's upside down. Oh, it's upside down. That's all the time we have for in today's video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, because next week we will be actually printing something, hopefully, and seeing this thing in action. So again, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.